Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Disney Plus account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So the first step is you want to search for Disney Plus login just like this. And after you search for Disney Plus login, you want to click on over here where it says login Disney Plus. Make sure it takes you to disneyplus.com, alright? That's the official website of Disney login for Disney Plus. Now once you're in the official website of Disney Plus, wait for some time and the login page will load up. And once you're in this page where it says email, you need to enter the email address of your Disney Plus account. Once you do that, click and continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, if it is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Disney Plus account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to log in into Disney Plus account, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.